Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Trying to use your webcam for a meeting or a video call, but nothing's happening? The issue is often a simple permission setting in your browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to allow camera access for any website in Chrome on your Windows PC. The process usually starts automatically. The first time you visit a site that needs your camera, a small prompt will appear in the address bar asking if you want to allow or block access. Simply click Allow to grant permission for that site. But what if you accidentally clicked block or the prompt never showed up? Don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, navigate to the website that needs camera access. Look in the far left side of your address bar. You'll see a small icon. It might be a lock locked, a camera movie camera, or a block symbol prohibited. Click on this icon. This will open the Site Settings menu for this specific website. Here, you'll find a list of permissions. Look for Camera. Click the drop-down menu next to it. If it's set to Block, change it to Allow. Finally, close the menu and refresh the web page. The site should now be able to access your camera. Pro tip: if a site isn't working, also check that your camera isn't being used by another application, like Zoom or Teams, which can lock the camera and prevent Chrome from accessing it. Important: only grant camera access to websites you know and trust. You can always revisit these settings to block access later. If this guide helped you get your video up and running, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to Guide with Samuel for more straightforward tech help. Thanks for watching.